Light and bright single-level custom home located in Elk Ridge neighborhood. Walk inside and see beautiful vaulted ceilings, open floor plan, large windows, gas fireplace, formal dining room or office space. Kitchen includes newer appliances, pantry, eat and dining area opens to the covered back deck. Split floor plan, spacious master bedroom, with ensuite master bathroom, jetted tub and shower. There is a private sunroom/office located off the master bedroom with access to the back deck. 2 nice size guest bedrooms, laundry room with countertop space, washer and dryer conveys. Garage includes a convenient half bath, shade screens on the windows, security screen doors, CO detector, water softener. Wonderful backyard with garden areas, raised bed, rain collection barrels and watering system.